Yo, what's up guys, Ross here from Everything Graphics, and today I'm going to bring you a tutorial on this interface orb here. Now actually I'm just going to show you the different effects and like what settings to use, because I have tried this tutorial many times and just kept messing it up somehow in each tutorial, so I'll just do it this way just to make sure I can actually do it properly. So the orb will look like this in the end, and I'll show you how to make the circle and everything. So if you go File, New, got 1920 by 1080 on 300 resolution, and I'm just going to untick the background and get the gradient overlay and change it to radial, and then change from black to white like that. That's fine. So there we go. Actually, if I just bring that down like so, just bring the scale down. Okay, so if you click Control R, this brings up like guidelines on your screen, and if you click the top bar and just drag it down, it should, oh god, what was it? Lock onto the middle like that. Okay, and then if any time you need to hide these, you can just click Control H. But this will basically let us like scale the circle from the middle of the screen. So I'm just going to check something. That's the middle. Okay, hold on, bear with me a second. So yeah, just make sure it's in the middle of the screen. There we go. Okay, so then we're going to create a new layer, and this is going to be our inner circle, and we're going to change the color of this inner circle to blue, so that when we make it, it should be blue. Okay, so if you grab the ellipse tool and just left click and hold it down, and then click Shift and Alt, just drag it up. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so just change this to blue, and then just rasterize it, and then we're going to duplicate this layer by clicking right click and clicking duplicate, or Control J, and then I'm going to rename this stroke and put it behind the inner circle, and then I'm going to change the color to a black or darkish grey like that, and then click Control T, hold Shift and Alt like before, and just drag it up like so. Okay, now this is normally where I messed it up because I forgot all the settings and stuff, so it looked horrible, but I'm actually just going to get the layer style from my one I made before and just paste it in. And by the way, you will need some custom patterns, so I'll put the link for those in the description. So yeah, if I just paste this in, and I'll go through the settings for you and everything right now. Okay, so for the stroke, you want to get the inner shadow, keep the blend mode at multiply, you want to have a pure black and the opacity at 88. You then want the distance at 16, choke at 0, and size at 79, and just keep the angle and the globe light at 120, and make sure globe light's ticked. Okay, outer glow, you want to make sure the blend mode is on normal, is black again, and opacity is at 100. You then want the spread at 0, size at 122, and range at 50, and jitter at 0. Then inner glow, it should be all just default settings, so just tick it and it'll be fine. Bevel and emboss, you want depth for 100, no 1000, sorry. Size 13, soften 0, angle at 90, untick use global light, and then for the color, if you just copy this code out, it should be fine. So it's BC, BC, and BC, and then 100% normal blend mode. Then for the one below, you want a normal blend mode 72%, and just a black again. Then you want to tick contour and put that at 100, and color overlay, change the blend mode to overlay, and then the color should be, the code for the color is 5F, 5F, or 5F, and then the pattern overlay will be the custom one. It's like a one with like scratches kind of on it. So that's that for the stroke. And then inner circle, you want to get an inner shadow, 100 opacity and pitch black again. 120 degrees and use global light is ticked. You want the distance at 2, choke at 0, and size at 109. Outer glow 75%, blend mode normal, the colour's black, and the size at 5. Inner glow, you want blend mode at normal, opacity 75, black again, size at 70, and range at 50. Bevel and emboss, you want the depth at 1000, the size at 9. Then you want, for the highlight mode, you want screen, should be that by default, and then change it to opacity 19, and it's a white, pitch white. And then for the shadow mode, you want it in multiply, and it should be a black, and then opacity at 33, and contour just bring down to 31%. Gradient overlay, the two colours and their codes are, it's like a bluish, and it's the code for it is a 1C69B0, and the other one is 2294D5. If you just write those codes in the colours, it should come up with these exact colours. Just put the blend mode and multiply, opacity at 100, and radial 90 degrees, and scale at 150. Pattern overlay is the same as the one before, just put the opacity at 79 and the scale at 100. Then stroke, you want at a darkish grey, and the code for that is 2F2F2F, and the size at 3. Now all of these colours and settings are personal preferences, it's just this is what it would look like if you use the ones that I have given you. So that is the tutorial, or well, settings I guess, for the orb. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, and always check out my page, please like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, if there's any tutorials you would like, just post a comment below and hopefully I'll be able to do it for you. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, and till next time, bye bye.